surveillance technology is being poorly utilized. Cameras are just recording evidence for after-the-fact analysis, and they are not quite usable for real time.
Our solution takes any site, inside and out, and creates a virtual 3D model, and then we place the video feeds in their actual geographic location.
This gives an overview of the site as a kind of a live floor plan of the building, as if you're ripping off the roof and looking inside the building. We can further enlarge a certain picture and understand what's going on at this particular spot. So the fact that now we have a great association and context of each and every video that comes from the location that it was captured from gets us familiar with the site in seconds. The operational result is that response is much more accelerated and much more decisive in a way that allows to mitigate the risks and improve the potential and probability of saving lives.
Look, to me, my first thought was this system is a force multiplier. Now my officer knows what he or she is getting into before arriving on the scene.
The system was designed as a bolt-on software that leverages the existing security infrastructure, so nothing in the existing system has to be replaced. It rather acts as a super layer that modernizes the use of the infrastructure. It unleashes the value that was already invested in this security gear and in those cameras. We allow the operator to interact naturally by simply tapping on the screen. The system automatically selects the right camera for the best view of that particular requested spot. Now we have the capability to tie the orientation of the user to the actual one. So everything on your right is actually on your right. And being able to see this image from anywhere within this facility or even outside of the facility gives a great tactical advantage. Because now, that's the first time that you can see the intruder before the intruder sees you.
Imagine you can have an overview of the entire site at the same time that you're patrolling a particular area.
This allows to decentralize and mobilize the command center into the field. The system can also be integrated with many other types of sensors. Devices like radars that track movements inside or around the facility. At this particular site, we have the capability and we have integrated the system with 2 radar devices. The fact that we put the image to right on top of a red dot indication picked up by the radar helps the user to associate these movements with the right video in a way that doesn't take any effort from the user.
Suddenly they can see what's going on inside, where it's happening, what's happening, who it's happening to, and what direction everything is going in. They can understand what's going to happen next because they have the whole contextual picture. You no longer have hours to planning, you have minutes to planning.
Instead of installing cameras and hoping for the best, we have many other sites that can become proactive and improve their security operations. Casinos, stadiums, critical infrastructure, prisons, etc. can greatly benefit from the system and improve their operations and secure themselves much better.
It's something that I feel has incredible potential in a world that needs that more.